Now we have got 1122. It is 2-band Murphy radio and with no proper model. Yeah, the model name is 1239. So confirming 1122 Murphy 1239. Done. 1123 G-Pass GR3725. So 1123 G-Pass GR3725 confirmed. 1123. 1124 is Sony 8RC25. 1124 Sony 8RC25. 1124 is Sony 8R. This is 1124. We have got Sony and model number is 8RC25. Confirming 1124. 1124 done. 1125 Kachibo. We will see. 1125 should be Kachibo. This is 1125 Kachibo and KK9702 is the model. 1125 Kachibo KK9702. Confirm. 1126 MTC not available. 1126 MTC ZTech Technology Partners. It has a model number. Model number not available. Just frequency is written of radio. 1126 confirmed. A unique one. 1127 is Winston. Again a model. Again. Model number not available. It is a Torch radio but unique in itself, so we are confirming it. Winston, it is the radio function. 1127. So done with this. 1127. Now we will move on to 1128. That is Palito radio. This is a unique radio Palito with FM auto scan PA9305. 1128 is 1128 Palito PA9305 confirmed. 1129 radio. Radio is a radio. This is a bank radio. 1129 and it is Bank of Baroda radio. It's a signature radio confirmed. Just a unique piece and very rare. 1129 confirmed. 1130 is Red radio. Again just it is Apache radio we call. 1139 with radio function. 1130 is confirmed. 1131 is clock radio. We have got 1131. We shall move on to next line. 1131 is on. So this is the clock radio. 1131. 1113 clock radio with integrated radio function. No proper model name is given but just a unique piece, so we are including it. 1131. 1131. 1132 is Meridian. 1132 Meridian. Yes, 1132 is Meridian 202. This is 1132. This is a unique piece with 11 Meridian 202. Confirming from looks itself. Confirming the photo. 1132 Meridian 202. So done in list. 1132. 1133 Philips FWD. 1133 is Philips. 1133 is Philips. 1133 is Philips Karaoke and radio. Repeat program. FWD17 is the model now here. FWD17. So this we are confirming. 1133. 1134 JVC we shall see. This is 1134 and this is JVC. 1134 JVC, just a unique piece. We shall see the model. Model number is RCS5JW. RCS5JW. So 1134 JVC RCS5AW. This is we are confirming. 1135 is Philips. We shall see. This is Philips beautiful radio and audio order. What is that? Radio with including radio recorder. Philips. So 1135 model number we are confirming. Model is 22RR415. So confirming list. 1135 Philips 22RR415 done. 1135. 1136 Binatone 102955. 1136 Binatone. 1136 Binatone and model we have to confirm from back. 1136 stereo with, this is the model Model, I think no purple model is there, just 8315 is written. So bina tone, we are confirming bina tone 102955, that manufacturing number. I think 1137 JVC Nivico 1137 is this beautiful radio, heavy, very much heavy. 1137 CRO2, this is JVC radio Nivico, JVC Nivico. Confirming from back what all is written. I think model number 9475S. So this is Nivico 9475S. This is done. 1137 1138 Hi-Fi Hitachi, that is Hi-Fi Hitachi. 1138 we are done. Unique radio with model name SCT1150R. 1138 we are done. SCT 1139 Sony ICFET. 1139 is Sony ICT-FET, Sony IC11 IC plus FET. So 1139 is we are confirming. 1140 Panasonic REWS. This is 1140 unique radio. REWF is written behind. So confirming this. 1150 we have got. 1140 we have done up to. Moving on to 1141 now. This is 1141.
Okay.
This is 1141 and M2246. 1141 M2246. 1141 we are done. 1142 World Space KWS. 1141 is in the wooden box. We shall be opening it. 1141 I'm showing. This is World Space radio and probably a satellite radio. 1142. So this is 1142 World Space KHWS1 is the model number. KHWS 1142. 1143 Sony WM-AF58. Sony WM-AF58. 1143 is Sony Sports Radio Walkman and with pre-alarm set mode and everything else. 1143 the no proper model name is given. I think here they have given is 1143. 1143 is MWHA5F something is there. AJ5S is there. 1143 we are confirming. 1143 we are confirming. 1144 should be Philips and model number not available. 1144 is Philips. This is 1144 Philips with radio program. 1144 its model number is not available, so confirming it. Unique one. 1145 is New Tone. This is also model number not available. New Tone, it is a New Tone signature. 1145 NT901R. 1145 NT901R. 1145 New Tone NT901R for confirm. 1146 should be Philips RL135. So now we have started with the smallest radios of this museum. These are this is Philips 1146. Philips 1146 model number is not available. I think it is confirmed. 1146 done. 1146 OT radio BT. This is 1146 OT radio and model is BT986. 1147 done. 1148 Kachibo. 1148 Kachibo radio and model is KK6B. So 1148 in list we have done. 1149 now Expo 70. 1149 this is Expo 70. Earlier one was other color. This is a radio with integrated. This looks like in attached form. So this is done. 1149 unique. 1150 we have got. 1149. 1151 is special signature Barbie radio. This is a Barbie radio. Tuning is here and it is in workable condition almost. 1150 Barbie radio done. 1150 1149 already done. 1150 Barbie radio. So 1150 done. 1151 precision radio, highly precise and precision radio. This is the smallest radio of this museum. This is just 1. This is 2-inch radio. 1151 PS203 precision. PS203 precision, the smallest radio of this museum. PS203. 1151 precision. PS203. So everything is written and confirmed. Everything is written precisely. So there are no faults at all. 1152 is precision PS806. 1152 is precision PS806. So this is also confirmed. 1152 we are confirming. 1153 again precision with another different model name. 1153, this is also just somewhat bigger than this. PS555 is the model number. 1153 is PS555. PS555. So they all looks almost similar, but they have different model names, and that is the criteria we are following. That different model names makes a radio different. That is we are following. 1153, 1154 now. 1154 we will moving on to. 1154 is KK63. 1154 Kachivo KK63 confirm. 1155 precision again PS69. 1155 precision again PS69. So this was also precision, but with different model name PS555. This has model name PS203 precision. Now again we have got precision, but with different model name PS69. So these all we have following the criteria that model name should be different, so they become different. 1155 up to we have done. 1156 is West End. 1156 West End, this is done. 1156 confirm. 1157 we are moving. 1157 we are moving. Radio light mirror radio, this is. So another beautiful set we have got. 1157 done. So 1157 done. 1158 now Adobe Creative. This is also a radio for tourism, radio for tourist purpose. 1158 radio in bag. So this is the model Adobe Creative Z Suite team. So 1158 in list we are confirming. 1159 Naiva. 1159 is Naiva. 1159 is Naiva. We have got this. It has model name WRA148. 1159 Naiva WRA148, beautifully written, confirmed. 1160 Philips DL095. 1160 is this World Cup special radio. So confirming the model name and all everything. 1160 DL095. So confirming this 1160 Philips DL095 confirmed, and putting it back. So up to 1160 we have done. 1162 we are continuing from other lane. Come. 1162. This is 1161 unique radio. Confirming it. We have just one piece. 1161 unique. 1162 super sound. We will check. 1162. Okay, come now. So 1162 super sound. 1162 now confirming. सुपर साउंड बात ही ना करनी है अब. 1162 सुपर साउंड. 1162 सुपर साउंड. टेकिंग इट आउट एंड कंफर्मिंग. दिस इज 1162. See how beautiful it is. Super sound with radio. This is the radio function in this. 1162. Confirming it from this number. 1162. Putting it here. 1162 this is. That was the on cover we had that sticker. Now it is confirming model Tanshashi. 1162 is Super Sound Tanshashi. Tanashi. 1163 now Philips. Okay, 63 we have got this one. It is a Philips radio and this is the model number 529. Confirming it to 1163 confirmed. 1164 is Philips again, Valiant. 1164 is Valiant Philips version. Confirming this unique. 1164 done. 1165 Philips. 1165 is Tele radio. This is 1165 and it has this as radio function. This is different from the earlier ones because it is bigger in size and different in color, and it has a different model also. We didn't have Tele anywhere written in the previous ones, so this one is confirmed. 1165. 1166 is Sensui. 1166 here we have got Sensui radio. 1166 is Sensui. This is the first time we are hearing in radio category, so this is confirmed. 1166. 1167 is Sony again. Sony 1167, this is Sony radio. So this is for tuning and we are confirming it as at STA4S is the model. So 1167 is confirmed. We can confirm the model STA4S. 1168 is stereo Zylwork. 1168 is stereo Zylwork. Where it is 1168? Kindly find that 1168 number. Yeah, this is the 1168 number. And we have got this radio, the unique one, stereo Zylwork. 1168 done now in list also. 1169 is stereo radio. Stereo radio. 1169, where is 1169? Search for it. This is it. So 1169 we have got, this is Samsung TV cum radio. This is very unique and very rare from Samsung company. No one can even believe that Samsung used to make such TVs along with radio bands. So 1169 we are confirming with photo and with looks. Everything is there. So 1169 in list. 1169 is Samsung TV plus radio. TV plus radio. So its model name is BT121J. We are not taking them up again and again because these all sets are very much fragile. 1170 HMV. Moving on to next section. 1170. 1170 section. 1170. So 1170 we have unique radio HMV Fiesta solid state. 1170 confirm. 1171 HMV again. This is same but with different model. So 1171 we are confirming. 1172 is Sony. We are confirming this is 1172 Sony with different and unique model radio. FM, SW, MW. 1170 we are confirming. This is ST333 is the model name. 1172 Sony. ST333 is the model. ST333 is the model. 1172 we are confirming. ST333 is the model. This is CMT. 1173 now. 1173 now I think we have got some. Yes, here we have got 1173. This is another unique model with CMT EX5. CMT EX5 1173 done. 1173, 1174 green radio. This is the green radio we have got. 1174 unique one in shape and size and looks. 1174 done. 1175 Radel Digi60DS. 1175. This is unique radio Radel Digi Electronic X. 1175 done. 1176 in motion 1176 in motion unique radio Leica Pulse IM5 is the model. 1176 is done. 1177 is Sarang. This is Sarang and Indian radio. 1177 it is also done. 1178 tall M88. 1178 is this. This is done. Troll MAPH. Another wooden radio 1178. 1179 VEF12 is the model name radio. It is from General Electric, I think JEC, something like that is written. 1179 we are confirming. 1180 is from Sony TC230. 1180 is from Sony. 1180 is from Sony. Now moving on to 1180. Now this is really unique, very heavy radio, Sony. So confirming this 1180 TC230 is the model. 1180 showing you the overview and overlook of this. This is a radio. TC230 is the model. 1180 done. 1181 now. Come for 1181. 1181 here we have got Sony radio again. And CFS 1030S is the model. CFS 1030S is the model. 1181 confirming the model. Confirming the model from back, I think. Where is the model name number written? Is there model down? Yes, this one is. So 1181 is confirmed.
Yes. क्या करोगे भैया? छोटे वाले हमारे बैग में भर देना, ये गलत हो गया। क्यों राहुल? सारे उस बैग में भर देना, छोटे वाले में गायब हो जाएंगे ना।
The process is still going on and we are counting radios. 1180 number is going on and list is being prepared. Is the person and name of whose the record is to be assigned. So confirming it, confirming the radios. We have counted these all. This is 1180. Confirm it and take photo. Write the model number. This is Sony radio. Take it out. And these one also. 1185. The model name and number is to be counted. 1190, 1195, like this. We are going. No!